That is not how we want to start off the day. Looking on the bright side, however, it does help us. The name of the game for today is just a travel light. I only brought one rod and one reel with me. And so let me provide a little bit of background information. Recently, there have been some absolute monster bass caught where I'm fishing today. And I'm talking 5, 6, 7, even 8 pound range. I'm most likely just gonna be throwing a black and blue chatterbait today. Didn't get the best start with all my camera gear and everything, but hopefully a big fish will make it all worth it. Now, before I even start fishing, I gotta make sure this thing works. See that? That's not what we want. Let's take out the batteries and see if something is up with it. So if I push them back in, will it work? Yep, there it is. That's what I'm talking about. It's in kilograms. Pounds, that's what we want. Wouldn't want to measure a fish in kilos. Today might be a solo mission. I could be having my friend Ethan join me later today, but not gonna have any high hopes for that. I've been throwing chatterbait in a long time, but in my early days of bass fishing, it's just what caught me the biggest fish. So over here, if we look, we do have a very nice shade line provided by this tree over here. I'm thinking there should be some big fish around. Just work this whole place. Pretty shallow here, but this would be the perfect spot for a bedding bass to just sit around. Throwing all of this on 15-pound fluorocarbon. I have faith that it won't snap on me unless some freak accident happens. Make my way to the docks. Let's see if I can see any bedding bass from here. There's some fry from some animal. Definitely not a bass. It's way too small for bass fry. Might be some tadpoles. Boom. That's about the closest I can get without hitting their boat and then having some angry boat owner coming out. Here we go. Perfect. Nailed that one. There we go. No sign of any bedding bass along this area yet. Still a little early. There has to be some big ones sitting right under the floating dock. So what I'm gonna try and do is lure them out. No, that's someone else's line. I thought that was, I thought that was a good fish. All right, get off, please. It's like a whole Christmas tree down there. What is going on? Look at that. Okay, it's getting closer by the minute. Oh wow, this is like a good 30 feet of line. That's how much line someone lost? Well, I got it, and this is what it looks like. Looks like someone was throwing, yeah, that looks about 15-pound line as well. Strong stuff, you know, it doesn't break that easily. Unless you hang on a dock or something like this poor person unfortunately did. And because I got a couple of you guys watch my videos, got to set a good example every single time. Don't litter, guys. What's up? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. No, it's just nice to see you.
I heard I see you like now.
Oh, right, yeah.
Magnet, I don't know.
Ready?
Already ran 2.5 miles.
Okay.
5-pounder and see my friends all in one day would be pretty sweet.
Nice. Ready to dangle?
What is this for?
Ethan, the water's this way. All right. Are you gonna be?
Possibly.
All right. I wouldn't want to be caught by you if you're a game warden. You just seem really. You would just be scary.
Yeah.
I don't think you would ever let anyone off the hook. You're like, Dude, look what I'm doing. I'm struggling. I can't skip. Backhand is the most difficult for me. See, that was decent. But compared to what I could do with my right hand, okay. Yo, what's up? Nah. We tried for some grass carp earlier, but We're just messing around. How long have you been fishing today?
I just came.
Okay. Maybe you can teach us a thing or two. Just how to catch these dock bass. Bite?
Yeah.
All right, patience. Dude, I also got one. Dude, I got a fish. No way, I do have a fish. Ethan!
Ooh, nice.
I have a fish. Ethan, you wanna land him for me? Oh, keep the tension, keep the tension.
Whatever it was.
All right, no way. Nope, stay out of there, stay out of there. I'm not gonna lose, I lost one yesterday, so I'm not gonna lose one again. Let's go. Okay, he looks so much bigger, but dude.
Yeah, that's like
such a random catch. Thanks, man. I kind of gave up on narrating for you guys, but we made it happen.
He's a chunky one.
Let's go.
Chunky one.
Let's go. There we go. That's what we've been working for, just on the chatterbait. Dang, knew he would hit. There's probably a lot more out there. Let's put him back. All right, see you, girl.
Even if it's like a 1/8, I'd like to see those.
Oh, you can climb around the gate.
Guess I'll go get it then.
Yeah, I mean, it's worth it. All right, I'm gonna bounce. Nice meeting you, Aiden, right?
Jake.
Jake, sorry about that. All right, well, good luck, man. Well, this was a fun little expedition. The hunt for the personal best still continues. Part of me is thankful for it because I didn't even have the big camera with me today, so wouldn't have looked that good on video, but that does leave us a goal to still accomplish. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, fish for the adventure.